Hey y'all, my Stitch Fix just arrived, so I'm gonna unbox, try on, and review everything for you. If you're new here, my name is Alicia Murray. I'm really petite, I'm under 5 foot, and I love to try these styling boxes because not only do they offer pretty trendy clothing, but I also find some petite clothing and a lot of like cropped options in boxes like Stitch Fix, Nordstrom, things like that. If you've never tried Stitch Fix before, basically you take a style quiz, you get a stylist, you pay a $25 styling fee for each box you receive, and a stylist will curate your box. If you decide to keep something, that $25 styling credit does go towards whatever you decide to purchase. I also, of course, have a code for you. I'm gonna leave my referral link down below. It gives you $25 off your first box. So if you don't like anything and you don't want to keep anything, send it all back. It's risk-free. You can cancel after that. Now that we got that out of the way, I don't remember getting a preview for this month's box, y'all. I just remember getting the notification saying my box had shipped. So I either missed the preview or I don't know what happened. However, they did send one thing I'm super excited about. It's in my favorite color. I hope I can wear it for Easter. Let's unbox it. I'm gonna show you what they sent me. They did send me one thing that I'm probably not even gonna try on. Let me show you what they sent. So here's my little bundle. Tons of really fun colors for spring. I love orange. It's my favorite color. Let me show you what's in here. Okay, so first off is a pair of Free People leggings. I can tell you right now, I just unfolded these and these have a ton of lint on them. They look like a lint magnet. You guys know I have 6 dogs. If this is how they look, maybe someone tried these on and got the lint all over it. I don't know. Does this look used? Look at how cracked. I don't know about these, you guys. They do have, you know, the Stitch Fix tag, but these look used. Okay, let's keep moving on. So here was a tank top. I kind of don't know why they send me tank tops because every time they send me one, I leave them feedback telling them that I'm not interested in a tank top. It's a cute color, but you guys, I really just don't need it. So I don't know. Okay, you guys ready to see what I'm most excited about? Okay, so this is from Lulu's, and it is a gorgeous little smocked mustard yellow top. I think it's really cute. I didn't realize it was that cropped whenever I saw it in my checkout area. But yeah, excited to try that on. If I keep something from this box, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be that. Okay, and the last thing is another tank top. Oh, I'm sorry, it's a bodysuit. Now, I do love bodysuits, and I've been so happy that lately they have been sending me them. However, this just really, I don't think it's my style. It's an orange square neck bodysuit with like these ruffles detail at the straps. Yeah, I don't know about this one. Not too crazy about it. It's a little frilly. They did send me some shoes, and I can see where they were going with this. I'll show you my little baggie. Let me unzip it real quick. These, I can see where they were going because I do love like heeled shoes, wedges, sandals, and I like, you know, nude colors, beige colors, things like that. So going off of that information, I can see why she sent these to me, but I don't like them. Okay, these are Dolce Vita, and they have the little ankle strap right here. And as you can see, it is super metallic-y. I'm just not a fan of that. And it has like this braided, you know, strap down here by your toe area. And it's like an espadrille. Not crazy about these, you guys. Not even gonna try these on. This is just, I don't know, not really my style, but I do know why she kind of sent these to me. I get it. All right, let's go ahead, try everything on. I'm most excited about that Lulu's crop top. I guess I'll try the other tops on and try to, you know, see how I feel about them. but I'm not really a sleeveless person. I really do like a long sleeve and something with a fun sleeve detail, like the flutter sleeve kind of thing going on right here on this top. So this one really fits the bill. Let's go ahead and do the try on portion of this video. All right, I tried the purple one on first. I definitely think it's like 1 or 2 sizes too small. It's super, super tight. I feel like I'm busting out of it. I don't like wearing strapless bras and I don't like to go braless. You do you, but yeah, that's the reason why I don't really like tank tops with thin straps. I always have to put a cardigan over it. And this is just, I don't know, it's not really covering what I need it to cover. I'm just not crazy about it. I do like the color of this, but yeah, it's just like way too tight. I would be kind of scared to wash it, scared to shrink it. There's not a lot of fabric here. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. Just so y'all know, this glare bothers me just as much as it bothers you. I told my husband, I want to take out this mirror. I want to move my couch on the other side of the room and I want to make this wall like my new try on area. So yeah, hopefully soon this mirror will be gone so I can do like better try on hauls for you. All right, let's talk about this tank top. I love the color. I just think it's a little frou-frou for me. It has like these little ruffly straps here. I don't know. I'm just really not into it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna pass. I don't really like buying things just to buy them. So let's keep our fingers crossed and hope I like this Lulu's top I'm about to try on. Let's see how it looks. I definitely love this top. I definitely had to fiddle with my bra in this top because whenever it's such a wide square neck, your bra straps can easily like get pushed to the side. So it is gonna be a top I'm probably gonna have to like mess with a lot. I think my favorite thing about this shirt is just the sleeve detail. It has a really cute sleeve detail. I like all the tiers going. It's kind of puffy looking. So yeah, I really like that. I love the color. I like the neckline. As long as I gotta cut these off ASAP, it's just this right here. I'm really gonna, maybe if I just pulled it up a little bit, maybe if I did that. That seems to have hit it pretty well. Anyway, what do you guys think? I think I'm gonna end up keeping this and these leggings. So I had a fear that these leggings were used because of all the lint, as you can see on camera right now. But you see how it's cracked? Well, apparently that's just how the logo looks because on the other Free People top, it is also cracked, if you can see that as well. It also has like that cracked look. So anyway, I guess that's just how their logo is. However, because I can just tell these are a lint trap, literally just from unfolding them, I don't even want to try them on. So I think I'm going to keep this top, you guys. Let's read my stylist note and see what she had to say. Before I read my note, I do want to remind you, if you've never tried Stitch Fix, I do have my $25 off your first box referral code link in my description box. If you do use my code, I also get a $25 credit. So thank you to everyone who has decided to use my code. Okay, let's go ahead and see what my stylist told me. My stylist name is Angelina. I'm pretty sure Angelina was my stylist last month, if I'm not mistaken. So Angelina said, "Hello Alicia and welcome back for a springtime fix. We have a couple of new styles for spring in the form-fitting style you love." Yes, I do like that. I do like bodysuits. I like this smocking stuff here on these types of shirts. I do like more fitted things on top, just is my preference. She said the Raina Ruffle Straps knit bodysuit is a fun sherbet orange hue, so I was so excited to include it since you let me know in your profile that you like orange and also bodysuits. I can totally understand why they sent that. Yeah, it just like, it gave me like Lily Pulitzer vibes. I don't know, it just wasn't really my style, so I'm gonna pass on that one. The ruffle details give this style a little extra boost with some feminine flair. Pair it with your favorite denim shorts and add the Nilton braided espadrille wedges. These sandals have a 4-inch wedge heel and a brushed rose gold design. Was not a fan of that. I like where she was going with this though. I liked the fitted tops. I liked the crop tops. I liked the sleeve details. I love, love, love the colors. I even like a lot of things about the shoes that she sent me. I like the Branded shoe. I do like espadrilles. I like heels. I like wedges. It's just those I wasn't crazy about. So I think Angelina did really a good job, even though I'm not purchasing most of these items. I can't wait to cut these things out. I see them poking out the whole time. All right, she goes on to say, what do you think of this style for the spring and summer months? I also sent you the Savia Smocked puff sleeve crop top, which I thought you'd flip over since it has bell sleeves. Dress it up with a mini skirt for a romantic date night look. Enjoy, Alicia. Always, Angelina. Angelina, you did a great job. I do love this top, and I loved several details about the other things. I think that you did a great job. So let me tell you how much this stuff cost, y'all. All right, let's start with what I'm wearing. This was actually one of the most affordable things in the box. Lulu, and also I'm going to not only be popping up pictures right here on the screen, but I'm telling you the names and prices right now in this video. I'm also going to write each thing I received in my box in my description box. That way, if you want to request it from your stylist, just copy and paste, and hopefully your stylist can find it very easily that way. So what I'm wearing right here, the Lulu Savia Smocked puff sleeve crop top in mustard, $38. Definitely keeping that. That was a great deal. Next was the Henley bodysuit. Henley is actually the brand I purchased last month. I actually purchased a bodysuit, a purple bodysuit that I absolutely love. Here's the tag here. Yeah, I found that I've liked this brand whenever I go on the Stitch Fix app. I like to just go in and see new arrivals, things like that. And a lot by Henley I like, and also it's a really affordable brand. So I'm probably gonna ask more of this brand. Anyway, this Henley top, this is $34. This is a petite item, so if you're petite, that will be great for you probably. I have tried on some bodysuits that don't fit right, you know, with your proportions. I have a very short torso especially, so sometimes bodysuits can be a little tricky, so it is nice to get that in petite sizes. Okay, let's go ahead and move on. So this lilac top right here, this Free People magenta, it cut off the name. It has such a long name, it cut it off. Anyway, the magenta crop top, this was $50. I just want to show y'all. It is itty bitty. Like, this looks really small. So in Free People especially, I feel like I'm gonna have to be a medium or something. Okay, yeah, and then the most expensive thing in the box was this. I did not even want to entertain the idea of trying these on because, like I said, I mean, just look at them. You probably can see some dust on camera. These are a lint magnet. I can see my hair. I'm gonna have to lint roll these before I send these over. I'm not a fan of these. Yeah, $70. I'll link them below, but I don't recommend them. All right, y'all, that is it for today's Stitch Fix unboxing, try on, and review. Let me know what you thought of these items down below. If you're new here and you like what you see, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you get notifications each time I upload. I do upload very frequently here on this channel. I try to upload every single day. I did just get in my Nordstrom trunk club, so as soon as I flip this camera off, I'm gonna change and start recording that. I'm super excited. Got a lot of dresses in for Easter. Here's hoping I like something, but if not, I may wear this or I may wear the purple bodysuit that I got in my last Stitch Fix. I don't know. Stay tuned on Instagram. I'm sure I'll post a picture. Hope you guys have a great Easter weekend, and I'll see you soon in a month for another Stitch Fix unboxing. Bye, y'all.